guys, so in today's lesson we're going to be learning Sweet Home Alabama by Lynyrd Skynyrd. I'm just going to be teaching a very basic acoustic strummy version in this one, so yeah, going to keep it very basic. Just 3 chords that repeat pretty much the whole way through. Let's get learning them chords. Okay guys, so as mentioned in the intro, this is a very beginner friendly version of Sweet Home Alabama. Just a basic strummy version for acoustic guitar with 3 chords that repeat the whole way through. First chord we need to learn is a D chord, so that's third one up from the bottom, number 2, bottom string 2, and middle string fret number 3, and we strum the bottom 4 strings, so just miss out the E and the A string on that chord. That's a D chord. Next chord we need is C, second string up from the bottom, number 1, string above fret 2, string above that fret 3, and strum the bottom 5 strings. Just miss out that low E string. Again, we can pop that thumb over the top to mute the low E string if you'd like. Then we have a G chord, that's second one down from the top, number 2, top string fret 3, bottom string fret 3, and strum all the strings. So let's just go through them again. So we have a D chord, we have a C chord, and we have a G chord. Cool, so if you've got the chords, let's move on to the strumming pattern and the order. Okay guys, so as mentioned in the intro, there's literally just the 3 chords, which are D, C, and G. And the order is D, C, G, then G again throughout the entire song. So again, just one more time, that was D, then a C, then a G, then another bar of D. Now, in terms of the strumming pattern, let's keep it very basic. So if you get that D chord, what we're going to do is we're going to play, again for the D we need the bottom 4 strings. We're going to start with the bass note, which is this D note here. We're going to play 2 open strings on that, then down up. We're going to do the same thing on the C chord, play the bass note of the C, which is this A string, down, 1, 2, down, up. Same thing on the G, bass note is the G up here on the low E string, 1, 2, down, up, and then again. So let's do that again. So go back to the D, we start with the low D note, and then down, up. Same with the C. And then the same with the G, hit that low G note on the E string, down, up, and then again. So I'm going to put that together. So a bit quicker. And that pretty much does that the entire way through the song. Again, if you want to simplify it, you can get away with just sort of single strum throughout the entire song. If you're an absolute beginner, just keep it simple. Cool, hope that's helped. Okay guys, so that's the end of today's lesson on Sweet Home Alabama. If you have enjoyed or you found this useful, please do smash that like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one.